back 10 years and live life out exactly as you did now, would you? No. You'd go and do all the things you wanted to do and not waste time doing the things that got you to this very point. So then, why not start now? Otherwise, in another 10 years, you're going to have the same problem. We all deal with self-doubt, perfectionism, and holding ourselves to high standards. But what if there's a balance to be found? What if you take it in the moment you're in, let go of your expectations, and just enjoy the journey as it is? Good or bad, you'll find it always works out in the end anyway. It's about reframing those doubts, the need for perfection, or any of the beliefs that ultimately hold you back from being you, your true self. Don't engage in things that won't bring you the joy that you deserve. Don't engage with the people who won't really be there for you when you need them. Ask yourself, who do you really want to be? Ask yourself, do you want to reaffirm false beliefs in your mind? You've got to tolerate discomfort. It's the only way to the best version of yourself. This day, it's gonna come and go anyway. You see, I started to realize that I'm a problem solver. However, sometimes my solutions aren't very good. Every time I give in to a false belief or ruminate on things I can't control, I'm trying to solve the problem by minimizing the uncomfortable feelings. However, this solution, it's the equivalent of running away and not facing the fearful sensations head on. And that's what I needed to do. Change the solution. Change the action to a new productive one and find a better solution. See, I always used to avoid negative emotions. And I mean a complete avoidance of negative emotions. Not being able to handle their negative feelings and running as far away from them as possible. But it always catches up. Unless a handle is taken on a situation, it'll create an endless loop of running further and further away, which drains you both mentally, physically, to a point where it's just harder to get out. And it sucks you in further each time, creating more and more negative emotion, like a sick feeling that compounds until the person breaks down. That's your nervous system saying, no more. No more. But I found it's easier to get a handle on it from the get-go. If you resist at the start, you take back a little control. You build a momentum, instead of running away from it, you go towards it once fear negative emotion, and the addiction of fear gets pushed back from you. You now have control by relinquishing control. If this trip has taught me anything, when you create an inner change, you create an outer action. And when you make that outer action, you create more and more inner change. And when you feel that inner change, that empowering feeling, that's when it all starts to finally work out.